Here's a quick explanation how to use this module. Up here on the screen there are different tabs. You start with the general options, whereby you choose a balustrade system. You can have a view of details of that by pressing on the question mark. You can choose a glass type, and you choose a color, and you click next. Over here you get a choice of different shapes. You can alter them, so just choose the shape which is most similar to the balcony that you want to design. This will open up the design module, and you'll now see three distinct sections. Over here will be the details that you're entering, the 3D model, and the 2D view of that model. On here you can toggle between seeing the 2D and 3D together, just the 3D model, or the 2D model. Will remain with the 2D and the 3D together. Now in the Sections tab you have ability to change the dimensions and angles of the sections. So this balustrade that you see here has 3 sections. You can recognize them here, and if you change the dimensions on this section, say to be 2000 millimeters, you will see that gets longer. If you want to change the angle, this is an absolute angle, so this is saying that this section is going at 90 degrees when viewed on plan. If you change that angle, then you will see the model change, and the same with the 3D model. The 3D model changes as you change your 2D. In this way you can complete the design of the shape and lengths of your own balustrade. You have the ability to move the 3D model, and that is by pressing on the left click, and that creates a rotation. If you press on the middle button on your mouse, you can move the model left or right, up or down. You can add dimensions to the 3D model by clicking here and then ticking which dimensions you want to see. The base dimensions will be the dimensions that you've entered, and these will get added. If you tick handrail dimensions and glass dimensions, these will get added to the model. Down here at the bottom you will have fixed views that you can have with the 3D model. So you can have it viewed from the left side, you can have it viewed from the right side, you can have viewed in such fashion, and as well as plan view if you wish. So let's leave it on the front view of the balcony, and we'll go and have a look at the tabs again, where you can change the balustrade system and have a look at what it looks like with different systems. So this one is the aerofoil. If you go to the fully frameless SG12, for instance, you'll need to check and choose the correct glass for this and choose a color, and then the same model which you designed is now in the new balustrade system, which you can look at over here. If you want to have a look at it with no dimensions, then just untick all the dimensions and you will have a clean model with no dimensions. You can jump forward to the different sections. Once you're ready and you've finished your design, you can do the following things. You can go ahead and save this as a quote, and then all the information will be saved. You can go ahead and purchase the balustrade, and this gives you 2 options. You can complete all the approvals online by leaving this and going next, in which case you can look at all the details which open up as PDFs, and as you go through them, approve them, and once you've approved all the details, these will get added as a balustrade which is approved with all these details. This usually gives you a discount for doing that, and that is shown here. And if you do that, this will add this balustrade to the cart, and you can continue then to design another one or go to the cart. The other option is to order it as it is and complete the design with our technical team, in which case you tick this button on the purchase, this radio button, and you just add to cart. The price is all the time visible for you here, and as you change elements of the balustrade, the price updates accordingly. So if you make it longer, the price will change, and if you change to a balustrade system which is different and a different glass and color, again the price changes. Over here on the 2D option, you have also different views that you can have. These would be the handrail dimensions. The overview are the dimensions that you've entered as your base dimensions. This will be the bottom rail dimensions, and over here it shows the glass dimensions. Any one that appears here when you press click PDF, it will open a PDF of this view in a new tab. You can go back, change the view and create another PDF. That's basically it. If you want to start over, you can click here and it deletes everything that you've done and starts with an empty model. Thank you very much.